Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this brilliant BMW X1 2-litre 18d Sport sDrive. Now this vehicle has currently done 52,166 miles and it's finished in the colour black sapphire metallic. It does come with 3 previous BMW services. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. To the rear you do have a powered tailgate which can be opened using the key fob, making access into the boot much easier. In the boot you'll find 505 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,550 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your stylish cloth interior with the contrasting white detailing. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. You've got a very smart red trim on the dashboard. To your front seats you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel here to the left you've got your cruise control and speed limiter. To the right some controls for adjusting your infotainment system. On the display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data such as your average fuel consumption, average speed and digital speedometer. At the top of the dashboard here you do have your infotainment screen. This is controlled using the dial and buttons here in the centre console. On the system you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There's also USB connectivity, Bluetooth audio and CD player for playing your own music. The system does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Here in your communication menu you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You can even import your contacts onto the system. You've got your connected drive menu here where you've got your connected drive store, BMW assistance and messages. In my vehicle you've got vehicle and system settings. You also have your vehicle status where you can see information of the vehicle such as your tyre pressure monitor, engine oil level, as well as the vehicle's service requirements and recorded service history. You've got a button here just below the hazard light where you can access your front end collision warning system and adjust the sensitivity of it. Pushing the button will also turn the system on and off. You do have rear parking sensors to make reversing much easier. Down below on the dashboard you do have your dual zone automatic climate control. In the centre console here you've got a compartment with 2 cup holders and 12-volt socket. You've also got your 6-speed manual gear selector, and next to this you'll also find your driving experience control. You've got access to Comfort, Eco Pro and Sport, which change the vehicle's performance and handling, allowing you to enhance your driving experience.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.